Double replacement reaction. A double replacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction that occurs when two reactants exchange cations or anions of two ionic compounds to yield two new products. It is also called double displacement reactions, or metathesis reactions. It takes the form A plus and B minus, plus, C plus and D minus, yield, A plus and D minus, plus C plus and B minus. In this reaction, A and C are positively charged cations, while B and D are negatively charged anions. This reactions generally occur between substances in aqueous solution. In order for a reaction to occur, one of the products is usually a solid precipitate, a gas, or a molecular compound such as water. Types of double replacement reaction. 1. Neutralization reaction. Formation of a molecular compound, H2O. It is an acid-base reaction which yields a solution with a neutral pH. It is a reaction in which an acid and a base react in an aqueous solution to produce a salt and water. When aqueous hydrochloric acid is reacted with aqueous sodium hydroxide, the products are aqueous sodium chloride and water. HCl, Aq, plus NaO, Aq, yield NaCl, Aq, plus H2O, L. 2. Precipitation reaction/formation of a precipitate. Two compounds react to form a solid product called a precipitate. The precipitate is either slightly soluble or else insoluble in water. A precipitate forms when the cations from one of the reactants combine with the anions from the other reactant to form an insoluble ionic compound. When aqueous solutions of potassium iodide and lead, 2, nitrate are mixed. 2Ki, Aq, plus Pb, NO3, 2, Aq, yield, 2KNO3, Aq, plus Pbi2, S. There are very strong attractive forces that occur between Pb2 plus and ions, and the result is a brilliant yellow precipitate. The other product of the reaction, potassium nitrate, remains soluble. 3. Gas formation. This reaction yields a gas as a product. This reactions produce a gaseous product which then bubbles out of the solution and escapes into the air. When solutions of sodium sulfide and hydrochloric acid are mixed, the products of the reaction are aqueous sodium chloride and hydrogen sulfide gas. Na2S, Aq, plus 2HCl, Aq, 2NaCl, Aq, plus H2S, G. How to predict a double replacement reaction. The fundamental rule that a double replacement reaction follows is the solubility rule. This rule is used to predict whether a precipitate will form or not. The formation of a solid precipitate is the driving force that makes the reaction proceed in the forward direction. The following table of solubility can be used to predict the formation of a precipitate. How to complete a double replacement reaction. 1. Identify the individual ions from the reactants and their charges. 2. Switch the cations and anions of the reactants. 3. Balance the reaction by adding coefficients, which are the numbers before each compound. Double replacement reaction examples in real life. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda. As a cleaning agent, especially to clean the water disposal pipes in the kitchen and bathroom sinks. Can be collected and used as a chemical fire extinguisher. To make a chemical volcano. Hard water reacts with soaps, resulting in soap scum on the sink or the wall of a bathroom. Hard water also causes deposition of minerals like calcium carbonate on the interior walls of water pipes. Let's try to answer the following. 1. A double replacement reaction, also known as a double displacement reaction, or metathesis reaction, is a type of reaction that occurs when the cations and anions switch between two reactants to form new products. What is the generic equation for a double replacement reaction? B. AB plus CD, yield, AD plus CB. 2. There are three types of reactions that fall under the double displacement reaction category: precipitation, neutralization, and gas formation. What do you use to determine the states of matter of the products in a double replacement reaction? V. Solubility chart. 3. In the following chemical reaction, what product is represented by X? AlCl3 plus NaOH2X plus NaCl. C. Al(O)3. 4. What is the state of matter for NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide? C. Liquid. 5. What type of reaction is the following? B. Precipitation.